Welcome to wizard.com. This is Ashwini, maths tutor. Our question is, faces of cube are marked with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. If two views of cube are as shown below, what will be there on the top when 4 is at the bottom? Here we can observe that in the two views, position of 6 is same. So, if we rotate one of the wave such that position of 6 remains fixed, so we will see that 3 will be opposite to 4 and 1 will be opposite to 2. Hence 3 will be there on the top when 4 is at the bottom.